G'day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our 16 litre battery powered backpack sprayer. Now in the kit comes the tank, it comes with the stock lance and trigger gun assembly, it comes with a few different spray attachments, and it comes with a battery charger. Now a modification we've made to the unit is we've added in these push fit fittings and tap. The reason we've done this is so you can use your stock lance and trigger assembly, or you can plug in your existing pole tube kit. Now to use the unit, we've got two switches here. I've got a little bit of water in here to demonstrate. If we flick this red switch on, we get 100% pump speed. If we use the silver dial here, we can click it on. You can hear the pump starting to run, and there you can vary the speed. Now to charge the unit, it comes with a 240 volt with an Australian plug charger, and you simply plug it into this little port here and let that charge. Now the charger has a little indicator on it. It'll be red when it's charging and it'll turn green when it's done. And that's a quick look at our 16 litre battery powered backpack sprayer.